The only reason why I'm making this video is because I get so many messages from people asking me to destroy their artwork, so you asked for it. This video is proudly sponsored by audiobull.com. Currently, I'm listening to the audiobook, Who is Brayson? Bricks are people too. Okay, for real though, if you're new to Xabio Arts, I asked my gorgeous people on Instagram, Twitter, and the Xabio Arts fans Amino to send me their drawings for me to destroy. Using the hashtag RoastMeXabioArts, and I said that I would pick one. So everyone who tagged their art with hashtag RoastMeXabioArts knows that they will get no mercy. So let's destroy some people's hopes and dreams, shall we? All right, let's start with Instagram. Oh, we got some lovely submissions. Let's go to the bottom. Okay. Yeah, you don't need critiques, man. Do you have a YouTube channel? Can you teach me? Okay, wait. Tyler Joseph, 21 Pilots. This isn't Jacksepticeye? Let's go into Photoshop. Well, see, Jack doesn't have his green hair anymore, but I don't care. I'm bringing it back. Fixed it. He's a hungry boy. And of course, the sandwich has meat inside of it, right? So, we fixed your Jacksepticeye drawing. He loves to eat meat. You're welcome. Let's go to another picture. Where's the lighting coming from? It's coming from the top left, right? So let's just do this. Make this a little bit lighter. Let's get rid of this. Quick color balance layer. Let's just fix the eyes. There we go. Fixed your Attack on Titan. Oh, it's so beautiful now. You're welcome. You look great today. See, this is the quality stuff that I've been waiting for. It's a great message, but I feel like it could be better. There we go. You're welcome. Underwear and tentacles sounds like a normal weekend. Oh. It's perfect. All right, I'll fix this one for you. First of all, let's change this. There we go. That's a little bit more accurate, so we'll take this whole arm. Gorgeous. Last thing, what's up with this thing, man? Why would you do such a curl? It's not like that in real life. Let's make it a little bit more realistic. Much better. Let's just add a little pop of color, shall we? Just a little pop of color. And there we go. It just kind of brings the whole piece together, you know what I mean? So, there you go. You're welcome. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much for sending this in. I really like the color variation in this. You got some specular highlighting. Gorgeous. But it's terrible. Let's fix them knuckles. And what's up with this broken nail? Okay, come on, with this stupid black mark. But for real though, I like the colors in your skin. Let's flatten all the shadows. You don't have to do details inside the shadows, man. You can leave the shadows very ambiguous. So let's see. Yeah, okay. That looks okay. Let's fix this jawline. See, ice goes in fractals, man. Also with these shadows, are you gonna go don't go super black, please. Please. We're just gonna make all of the black parts, we're gonna make it like dark blue instead. There you go, baby. There you go. Let's do a little rim lighting on this one. You already got some going on over here. Why didn't you continue it? Let's go to the big soft brush here. It's pretty nice, actually. I kind of like the monochromatic rim lighting over here, too. There we go. You're welcome. But, of course, it can't be complete without. And there you go. You're welcome. Okay, this is gonna be an easy one. This annoying and irrelevant intermission is brought to you by last week's comment game winner, Sarah Gamer. Congratulations, you win nothing. Gonna change the perspective on her. The other thing is, let's fix this shoe, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this leg and just completely change. Oh, frick. Then I'll take this leg. Then we can fix this shoe. I noticed that you're having trouble drawing the hands, so we're gonna give her a hand cannon. See, when you have trouble drawing hands, all you have to do is just avoid it. Let's give it some lighting in here. Oh, and I love how her hair is like kind of slimy and stuff. You're on the right track, okay, with this. And we're just gonna change the hue on this a little bit. There we go. Now there's one thing that we need to do at the end, and that's this. Just give her kind of a logo. You know what? Now that I look at this, the leg is actually not balanced, so let's do this. Just rotate it a little bit. Before, after. You're welcome. All right, let's go to Twitter. I know exactly what you're trying to do with this. The head doesn't really match up, so let's make it fit. There we go, that's looking nice. Yeah, there we go. Let's give him a nice mouth, some nose. And then I see what you're trying to do with this little dome on top here, so let's fix that. There, yep, and then we'll just erase the parts that we don't need. I mean, I like where you were going with it, but, you know, there's just a few things that you can improve on. So keep working. You know, one day you'll get to this level. You're welcome. Oh my God. I like this a lot. All right, let's do this. Let's just do a quick level adjustment, okay? It's already looking super. Let's do a quick color adjustment. Just add a little bit of blue in there. Highlights, maybe we can add maybe a little bit of yellow. And then for the shadows, we'll bump up the blue. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on how to color adjust. Look at that. Oh, so gorgeous.
There you go. There you go, sweetheart.
Before, after. Before, after. Pick another one from Twitter.
My name's Potato Face.
We're just gonna fix their faces a little bit. I think that's the one thing that we can work on, because there's no face, right? Let's see, this is their true nature. Gorgeous. But they need some 21 Pilot merch, right? Come on, you can't leave them hanging, man. You're welcome. Oh wait, there is something we can actually fix here. Just get rid of this. Don't do this. Let's fix this hood. I didn't know it was bugging me so much, but it is. Watch this. We're just gonna slope the shoulders a little bit more. Much more natural. Same thing with this guy. Before, after. Before, after. You're welcome. Okay. Are you being serious? No, this can't be serious. This has got to be a joke. This is perfect, and you know it, don't you? No critique here. Okay. I see that you're trying to make a unicorn dabbing. Let's fix that. All right, so there's a number of things wrong with this. Same mistake as the other one. You're dabbing, you're having the unicorn dab, so it's not 2017, this is 2015. There you go. We need to get rid of all traces of the dab, so what we can do is this. And that's pretty good, man. Nice, I like it. There's one more thing to fix this picture, and we'll just grab a little picture of Huey. Let's see, there's something hidden here. What is it? What can we find? Yep, I knew it. He's ripped. Yep, I had a feeling. But let's just decrease the saturation so that it kind of fits in with this a little bit better. And that is gorgeous. See, you had the right idea, but it was just completely wrong. So let's try this one. Okay, well, I like what you're doing here. I really like the graphic design department over here. Let's grab this hand. Just bring it down a little bit. Next thing is this hand, man. I like what you're doing with this shading here. Disgusting. Disgusts me. Let's go to filter. Liquify. Let's just fix this guy's face. Okay, now let's just paint on top. I'm just gonna take out the mouth, fix this little eyeball, and we're gonna make the mouth like this. Wait, how did you have the mouth? Okay, you had it like that, so let's keep that style. Ah, frick. There we go. So this is the before, and that's the after. Oh wait, forgot about the blushes. That's better. There we go. So there's the before, there's the after. You're welcome. Wait, let's do one more thing. Let's get rid of these lines right here. Just color them in with some shading. Sometimes you don't need lines. Here we go. So here's the before, and here's the after. You're welcome. So we fixed your Jacksepticeye drawing. He loves to eat meat. Fixed your Attack on Titan. Oh, it's so beautiful now. You're looking like a snack today. Then we revealed Salt Bay's true nature. I was so disappointed. You forgot. I mean, if you're gonna draw a ship, you gotta at least include the other character, okay? There it is. This one, we fixed the perspective. also made her a better character, just in general. This one, I could see where you were going with it. Didn't quite have the skills to execute properly. That's where I helped you out. You're welcome. This one right here, it's just a quick color balance adjustment. Oof, oof, I like it. This one, your 21 pilots, you forgot the faces. Also, your shadows were all messed up. Fixed it for you. This one, we had to destroy the dabbing. Fixed it. You're welcome. This one, I like the idea. You had some cool graphic design elements in the background. Bam! There you go. You're welcome. Fixed it for you. I really like getting critiques. In my opinion, this is the best way to learn. Do something that you put effort into and then have somebody just completely rip it apart and tell you how horrible you are. And then after you stop crying, you'll be a better person. So if you want me to do this to your artwork, if you want me to completely destroy your life, crush your hopes and dreams, all you have to do is post your art with the hashtag #RoastMeXabioArts. And if I do another one of these type of critique videos, then I might use your art. Might not. I really don't care. Well, see ya.